So today I'm going to explain a online notebook, so which will be used for creating day-to-day lecture notes, so that you can able to maintain when after completing the entire syllabus. You can easily go through each and every topic. So this is nowadays nobody is using actually this. So this is not an external software. This software is inbuilt in your computer itself. So if you are using Windows, I'm using Windows 10. So in Windows 10 you can get this uh, software inside the Windows itself, operating system itself, and it is nothing but OneNote. So you can type OneNote. So you can see here, so this is the software OneNote application. So I think in Windows 8 and Windows 7 also this software is available. So click on that application, then you will get this interface. And now this is my, actually I have a black theme, that's why it's purely black color. So you can able to switch to white color as well, so you will be getting a nice view. So here so you will be having two things, so add session and add pages. And if you are a faculty and you are handling classes for your students, instead of using PPT, you can able to create every day, every session notes as a notebook here. So here in the bottom side you can able to see action sessions. So if I am going to create a session, currently if I am handling computer network, so session can be used as a subject notebook. So computer network, okay, so okay, this is fine. So computer network is created, and for this particular session, consider this session as a notebook, and inside the session you can able to create pages. So just like a notebook, so session will act as the outer binding, and these pages will act as the each and every page is available inside your notebook. So likewise you can able to get. So I'm adding one more session, that means I'm adding one more subject. I'm having ad hoc wireless sensor networks, right? So I created two notebooks, actually two sessions. Now inside the computer network I can able to create not pages, right? So add pages. So this page I can able to rename it. So the option is here, renaming option. So I take one, right, or I can make it as some dates, right? So here I'm just making it as page numbers, that's it. You can make it as date as well, so which day what you handle, that you can do that. Now after that, just like you can use highlight option. Suppose if I am going to take some content from the internet, so I'm taking a topic called expose node problem. Yeah, expose node problem. So you will be getting some images. So I need these images, think about that. So I'm taking this image, copy that, copy image, then come to this notebook, and you can now in here you are able to paste it, right? Very simple. You can able to create notes, so pages by pages here, and if you need to do some annotations, you can do that, right? So apart from that, you can write something. If you need to write, just I can write it, figure shows exposed node problem. So this way you can work on it. So likewise you can extend this with single page, no issue in that. And apart from that, you can create to-do list, you can create, then definitions, you can create definition, that is simply editing only, and create a new tab, that is also fine. Then you can change the font color here. So instead of white, you can able to use multiple colors, and formatting, So just like whatever the options available inside Microsoft Word, that you can do. And if you need to use some other markers, is yeah, you can use that markers also, you can use that. And font size, you can draw something. And the next option is highlighting. So if you are going to explaining, if you have a graphic tablet, you can able to use this effectively. If you don't have a graphic tablet, no problem. If you have enough mouse balance, still you can manage. So for writing purpose and taking this, then you can able to choose colors if required. Then see, I'm going to tell like A is going to send the data to, so I need to choose color, right? So color, where is color? Yeah, color, I'm getting red color. I'm going to explain like yeah, I'm going to explain like sending data to D, so you can draw that. So I have few, just like if you are representing a node, so you can write A, you can write B, right? So data transfer, range, coverage. So this is possible through these kind of softwares. And if you need to erase this, you will be having an extra, eraser, so that you can able to erase. So that is also possible. And if you need to add shapes, you can add shapes. So this is how you can add a shape. For that also you can able to create shapes, as well as you can use different and if you draw a graph, that is also possible. You can easily create a graph like this. And now you need to draw like if you need to draw something like the graph will be look like this, that is also possible. So you will be having a lot of option to handle this. Then ink to image shape is there, and for example I am adding like this, it will make it as a circle. And if you are going to create a rectangle but you don't have mouse balance, you simply manage to draw a rectangle, then it will create a rectangle perfect shape. And if you need to draw a triangle, then no issue, manage to create a triangle, it will automatically detect your intention and it will create that shape. So this kind of facility, AI like facility, is available inside this software. And ink to text is also possible. So if you choose ink to text, for example, create, if suppose here I am going to insert view. Third, next tab is views, switch to background something. You can able to change the color, right? And if you require grid lines, that is in order to draw something, grid lines is also possible. And if you need to translate something, that is also possible. Set languages and you can able to translate something. And again, let me use this ink to text is not available currently, I think so. Water pencil, pen, highlighter. So highlighter option, if I am taking yellow color, yes, then I can able to highlight whatever important thing you can able to highlight. And apart from that, so too much of you just need to explore it. So that's what I need to tell. So you can able to manage this. So this is one day, suppose I take this for this particular date. And the beauty of this is the date and timing will be automatically recorded. Then if I am going to page 2, that is my second day, so that date will be saved. So you just simply give unit to topic 1, topic 2, topic 3, then you can able to create all the pages. And at the end of the in the entire semester, you can able to send this notebook to students, so students can able to go through the classes effectively and they can able to study all the topics, right? So this is the facility. Thank you for watching this, and if you like this video, so kindly subscribe my channel and please click on that bell icon so that whenever I upload a new video you will be getting the notification, right? So keep supporting me so that that support will make me to create more number of content that will be beneficial for you also. So thank you for watching.